Hi guys, I'm Anup from TwinsAI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your assistant page and maximize it at best in TwinsAI. So first of all, you need to come to the assistant page, and once you're there, you are able to see your assistants. If you have one, you'll be able to see one. If not, you will see multiple depending on how many assistants you have. So as you can see, you can filter your assistant by search and also by the type. You can create an assistant from here and you're able to see. The best way to edit an assistant for outbound is if you clone your first assistant. Let me show you how. You just click on the three dots and then make a clone. Once you have a clone, click on the three dots again and click on edit. You are able to edit the informations of the assistants depending on how you would like to. The name, or if the AI should speak first, or wait for the recipient to speak first, and information on such. The other thing that's important is initial message. Make sure to make the initial message short. You don't want to be very long in the beginning. You can see the curly braces, and this is a variable data. So if your prospect has a name, John, if you put like curly braces and first name, it will say, "Hi, John," in the beginning. And that's how you can use it. You can change the prompt on however you would like to have the AI speak, the tone, the neutrality. You can change them. We have a blog also in our website, so you can edit and learn how to change your AI assistant. You have the company information, whatever information you would like to provide based on your company, to give that to the prospect. And info gathering, if you're looking for some kind of information by the assistant, if you're doing a sales outreach on the company or the prospect, you can ask them and put the questions. You can also leave a personalized voicemail. If you enable the voicemail, it will leave a voicemail. So if it's with the curly braces, it will say, "Hi, John," and then it will leave a voicemail. Post-call actions are the informations that the AI extracts right after the call. And based on the summary, it can gather information such as how many salespeople do they have, which CRM they use, and also you can forward the phone number here. So if you call and they do not pick up, if you have left a voicemail and if they call back, you can put your own phone number where it will route to your phone and you will get a call. And once that's done, you can click on Update Assistant. But if you like to check with your AI how your agent is talking, you can just type here as a prospect, and if you say some questions, the AI will reply. And now the other thing is inbound agent. So far we have talked about only about outbound, which is when you're using the auto dialer to call someone. But for inbound is when you're giving your phone number to someone else and they will be calling you. And at the time when you cannot come to the phone, you can just let the AI handle. So if you click on new assistant, you can change the assistant type to inbound. You can give them the number, the names, the description. It is very much similar to your outbound agent, except for inbound phone number configuration. So here you need to give a phone number. If you don't have any phone number assigned to you or additional spare, you can always buy a phone number. Then you have also the option of transfer phone number. So when a prospect is talking with your AI agent and then the person wants to talk with you, real life person, if they ask that, transfer me to a live rep or transfer to a person, then the AI will transfer it. So if you give your phone number there, it will transfer. And something interesting is you can set different types of voice on your inbound agent. You can have either your voice or you can choose someone else's voice. So if you want to choose Harry, so if you want to hear how Harry sounds, you can click,
"This is Harry. How may I help you?"
and then it will talk like an Harry. And like that, you can create an assistant. If you do have any questions, please feel free to contact at support@twinsai.com. We're here to help you.